Hello everybody, my name is Jay. I'm one of the expert IELTS teachers teaching from his mother's lounge room right now. I hope you're all well out in the world and everything is good despite all the craziness that's going on. What we're going to do in this little lesson is an IELTS reading task, which is true, false, not given. And I'm actually going to base it on some information from the official IELTS website about coronavirus. So it will teach you to hopefully read deeply. Anyway, let's have a look at the questions. What's going to happen is you're going to see a text with 3 questions and you'll have 3 minutes to try to answer them. Now, please don't just skip through to the answers. Actually do your best to try to answer them now. And you might want to pop your answers into the comments below. And then I'm going to go through the answers in detail with you. Okay, good luck. Okie dokie, so IELTS reading true, false, not given. All right, what I want you to do is to read that text very carefully. Then if you look below the text, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and you'll see statements. What you need to do is ask yourself, does the statement say the same thing as the text? If it does, then you'll write true. If it contradicts what's written in the text, you'll write false. And if there's just not enough information to tell, like you need to sort of think, well, I don't really know that, then you'll write not given, okay? Your 3 minutes starts now. Okie dokie, how did you go? Let's take a look at the first question here. Question 1 is, or the statement says, candidates choose to state their health status in writing. Now that important word there is choose. Candidates choose to state their health status in writing. The important part of the text says test takers or candidates ask you to sign a health declaration. In other words, the test, IELTS, will ask candidates to sign a health declaration. Ask to sign a health declaration. It doesn't say force, okay? It just says ask. And the statement says candidates choose to state their health status in writing and sign and status in writing. So the answer to that one is in fact true. Candidates choose to state their health status in writing because nowhere in the text does it say that they're forced to do it or they must do it or anything like that. That was a really tricky one there. Hopefully that made you think. Okay, before we continue on to question number 2, make sure you subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Okay, number 2, candidates must wear face masks during the test. Well, it says here, test takers, that's the synonym for candidates. Test takers and staff may wear a mask. What's the difference between may and must? Well, there's a big difference there, and I would say that's a direct contradiction. May wear a mask versus must wear a mask is a contradiction. Therefore, the answer is going to be false. Number 2 is false. Let's check out number 3 here. Number 3, the computer-based test has been divided into sections. Well, this is kind of ambiguous here, okay? The part of the text that's important says petitions in computer-delivered IELTS test rooms. Now, number 3 is ambiguous. It doesn't say anything about rooms there. It says the computer-based test has been divided into sections. The emphasis being on the test, that the test is divided into sections. Now, there's just actually no information on that. It's not contradictory to that part of the text that says that the IELTS test rooms have been partitioned or divided into sections. And because there's just no information on it, we can't say, so we have to just say not given. Okie dokie, if you need help with your IELTS test and you are in lockdown, now is the time to improve your skills on e2school.com and improve your strategies and your test-taking skills on e2language.com, both of which you can sign up for free. Both of which 2 you can sign up for free. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and feel free to leave a lovely comment below. Cool, thanks very much for watching. Again, I hope you're all safe and well. Do check out e2language.com, of course, if you want to do some IELTS prep in the meantime. And yep, stay strong. See you soon.